Hello everyone, welcome to Atul Tutorials YouTube channel. I am Disha Patharkar and today I will discuss about antimatter and what is it all about. After Big Bang, two types of particles in equal amounts were formed, that is matter and antimatter. We all are familiar with matter, but what is antimatter? Atoms of matter and antimatter have same masses, but atoms of antimatter are oppositely charged and have different quantum numbers than matter. But are these particles completely opposite to each other? No. According to the CPT theory, that is, charge, parity and time theory, if these particles are completely opposite to each other, then the laws related to physics have been violated. So, the scientists have formulated that both of these, matter and antimatter, can be symmetric to each other only in three terms. That is, conjugation of charges, parity of dimensions, which is simply XYZ axis symmetry, and time. Factors like forces and energy interaction are same in both matter and antimatter. Pretty much as how square root works. For example, x square is equals to 4 gives plus 2 and minus 2 respectively. But why are these oppositely charged particles formed? Well, quantum theory states that a particle is present in more than one form at the same time. We can relate this to quantum mechanics. So, weight of an antiproton will be equal to that of a proton but will have negative charge. Similarly, anti-electron, that is positron, will be as light as an electron but will have positive charge. So, I hope you all have understood the concept of antimatter. As matter exists, antimatter do exist. Antimatter does not exist on Earth except for a small fraction of antimatter which can be found in controlled lab environments and is produced by humans. An example of antimatter is shown in this figure, that is lithium and anti-lithium. If you like this video, do like and share this video with your fellow mates. Thank you.